In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pyramid diagram in Canva. A pyramid diagram is a clear way to show hierarchies, priorities, or layers of information, and Canva makes it quick to build and customize, even if you're brand new to the platform. First, open Canva. You can use the website in your browser or the Canva app. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen where you can choose what kind of canvas you want to work with. Think about where your pyramid will appear. If it's going into a slide deck, choose Presentation for a widescreen 16:9 layout. If it's for Instagram or a square post, pick Social Media. For motion projects, select Video. And if you want lots of open space to brainstorm or map ideas, choose Whiteboard. Any of these options will work. The choice simply sets your page size and aspect ratio to match your end use. Open your design so you're inside the editor. You'll see your main canvas in the center and a side panel on the left with tabs like Templates, Elements, and Text. If you started from a blank design, great. If you picked a pre-made style, that's fine too. You can still add a pyramid on top of it or replace existing content. Now, let's bring in the pyramid. In the left panel, click the Templates tab, then use the search bar at the top and type Pyramid Diagram. Press Enter to see a gallery of ready-made layouts. You'll find traditional multi-level pyramids, segmented versions with labels, and even inverted pyramids for processes that start broad and narrow down. Hover to preview if available, and choose the one that best matches your message. Insert a pyramid layout by clicking it. Canva will place it onto your current page, sizing it appropriately for your chosen format. If it replaces the page, that's expected behavior for some templates. You can always add a new page if needed. The important part is that you now have a clean, structured pyramid ready to tailor. Edit as needed to make it your own. Click any text to rewrite labels for each tier. Think top priority at the apex, broader foundations at the base. Adjust fonts, sizes, and alignment for readability. Select shapes to change colors, using contrasting shades so each level is distinct, or match your brand palette for consistency. If the layers are grouped, right-click and ungroup to move or resize individual segments. Drag handles to tweak proportions, and use spacing tools to keep everything even. You can swap icons or add simple visuals from the Elements tab to reinforce meaning, and refine backgrounds for clarity without distracting from the content. And that's it. You've created a polished pyramid diagram in Canva, purpose-built for your presentation, post, video, or whiteboard.